Hi guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel, and for today's video, may isi-share lang akong bagong release na earning site na kung saan guys ay pwede tayong kumita dito every 12 hours. So, ito nga yung aking proof of withdrawal guys na kung saan is nakapag-withdraw ako dito sa kanilang platform and then na-receive ko siya guys sa aking GCash. So, if gusto nyo ditong mag-register guys, ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description box or comment section yung link. So, kapag mag-register tayo dito, i-click nyo lang tong sign up and then mag-register tayo through mobile number and then enter lang natin guys yung CAPTCHA code and then yung ating password. And then after natin ditong mag-register guys ay mapupunta agad tayo dito sa kanilang homepage and then as you can see na meron akong balance dito na 1,000 pesos. So ito yung kinita ko guys no sa kanilang platform. So itong platform na to guys ay isa siyang investment platform and then kapag mga investment guys is meron niyang puhunan. So dahil meron to siyang puhunan guys medyo risky siya. So bago kayo mag-try sa mga ganitong platform, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So dito sa kanilang platform guys, para kumita tayo, meron silang welfare product dito and then product. So dito sa welfare product guys, ay kapag nag-invest tayo dito is kikita tayo dito guys every 12 hours. So meron silang investment amount dito guys na 900 pesos and then every 12 hours is yung ating income is 117 pesos. And then yung investment cycle guys is 20 times. So, yung ating total profit is 2,340 pesos. And then, dito naman guys, sa investment amount nila na 2,900 pesos. So, every 12 hours guys, yung ating profit or income is 435 pesos. And then, 20 times din yung cycle. And then, yung ating total profit is 8,700 pesos. And then, dito sa product guys, ay every 24 hours naman tayong magka-income dito. So, yung pinaka-minimum investment amount nila guys is 330 pesos. And then yung ating daily income dito guys every 24 hours is 36 pesos. 51 times tayong magka-income guys and then yung ating total profit is 1,851. And then, meron din silang price guys na 550 pesos. And then, yung ating profit is 66 pesos. And then, yung investment cycle is 50 times. So, 3,300 yung ating total profit. So, dito guys, no, pwede natin ma-withdraw yung ating profit or yung ating daily income dito once ma-reach natin yung kanilang minimum withdrawal amount. So, yung kanilang minimum withdrawal amount dito guys is 150 pesos. So, dito guys, meron silang investment amount na 1,100 pesos. And then, yung ating profit every 24 hours is 154 pesos. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nag-invest tayo dito, yung ating daily income dito guys is pwede natin ma-withdraw kasi na-reach natin yung kanilang minimum withdrawal amount. So, marami silang product dito guys. So, i-check nyo na lang yung investment amount or yung mga price dito and then kung magkano yung magiging profit natin dito or magkano yung magiging daily income natin dito. So, for example guys, is gusto nyo ditong mag-invest. So, for example, dito tayo sa welfare product. So, i-click lang natin tong invest now. And then, dito guys, makikita natin itong order details nila. So, yung payment method nila dito guys is GCash or pwede ding sa Maya or sa ating balance. So, for example guys, dito tayo sa GCash A. So, i-click lang natin tong invest now. And then, dito guys, center lang natin yung ating GCash number. And then, after nyo ma-enter yung GCash nyo guys, i-click lang natin tong next. And then, as you can see guys, merong account number dito or GCash number. So, dito tayo magsisend guys no ng 900 pesos. So, make sure lang guys na tama yung nakopy nyo. And then, merong time dito guys. So, dapat hindi pa natapos yung time dito is nakapag-send na kayo ng money dito sa kanilang GCash number. So, i-copy nyo lang to guys no yung kanilang GCash number. And then, dito natin makikita sa orders guys yung product na in-invest natin. And then, every 12 hours guys or 24 hours, yung ating profit dito is mapupunta agad siya guys no dito sa ating balance. And then, aside sa product nila guys na magka-daily income tayo, so meron silang referral program. So, i-click lang natin tong team and then makikita natin yung commission natin dito guys no. So, kapag nag-invite tayo guys and then yung ating level 1 na invite is nag-invest dito. So, meron tayong commission na 12% and then sa level 2 is 6% and then sa level 3 is 3%. So, pwede tayong kumita dito guys ng libre lang. So, kailangan lang natin ditong mag-invite. So, dito sa share app guys, makikita natin yung ating referral link. So, i-share lang natin guys yung ating referral link sa mga social media accounts natin like Facebook, Telegram, or sa mga friends natin guys na mahilig mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform. And then, kapag meron na nga tayong na-earn dito guys, bago tayo makapag-withdraw, kailangan muna nating i-bind yung ating GCash dito. So, i-click lang natin tong My Bank Info. And then, yung kanilang withdrawal method guys is GCash. So, dito sa account name is yung ating GCash name. And then, dito sa bank name guys is GCash. And then, dito sa account number is yung ating GCash number. And then, after natin mabind yung ating GCash guys, so pwede na tayong mag-withdraw. And then, dito sa withdrawal information nila guys, ay daily tayong makapag-withdraw. Anytime tayong pwede makapag-withdraw dito guys. And then, yung kanilang minimum withdrawal amount is 150 pesos. Dahil meron na nga akong kinita dito guys, no? So, as you can see, na meron na akong balance dito na 1,000 pesos. So, ngayon guys, i-withdraw ko to siya guys, no? Kung marireceive ko pa ba siya sa aking GCash. So, click lang natin tong withdraw. And then, dito sa aking withdrawal record guys, yung status is pending pa siya. So, dito guys, napakabilis lang dumating yung ating withdraw dito. And then, yung oras na nag-withdraw nga ako dito guys is 12:48. And then, after 10 minutes nga guys, yung aking status ng aking withdraw dito is success na. So, na-receive ko na siya sa aking GCash guys, no? And then, yung oras na na-receive ko siya guys is 12:53 PM. So, 10 minutes lang guys is na-receive ko na yung aking withdraw dito. So, yun guys, no? Itong platform na to is legit paying pa siya as of now kasi na-receive ko naman yung aking withdraw dito. So, disclaimer lang guys, dahil meron nga to siyang puhunan. So, bago kayo mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform, always do your own research palagi and invest what you can afford to lose. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and God bless.